Hey guys, welcome to our Camtasia video editing course. In this course, I will teach you step-by-step video editing using Camtasia. In this tutorial, we are going to learn three things. First, the interface of Camtasia software. At the top left side, you will see all the different effects which we will use in our videos. Along with this section, we have a media bin where you can organize and manage your media assets such as images, videos, and audio clips. Below that, we have a timeline where you will be assembling your video clips, adding effects and animations, and adjusting the timing of your content. Here, you have the canvas where you will preview your video which you are editing it. We can say this output screen as well. Moving over to the right side, we have properties section. This is where you can adjust the properties of your video clips and effects. Once you have done this, we can now go to the next step, how to import media into software. Here we also have two methods. First method, by clicking on import media button to import media. You can also import by clicking on this plus button. For now, I am going to click on import media button. Select the media which you want to import into software. After selecting media, click open. You see we have successfully imported video into software. So let's discuss the second method. In this method, you can import any media by simply drag and drop. For example, if we want to import this logo into software, we will simply drag and drop into the software. You see we have successfully imported our logo into software. Once you have done this, we can now go to the next step, how to add media into timeline. Here we also have two methods. First method, right click on the video and click on add to timeline at playhead. And you see we have successfully added our video to the timeline. This is playhead. Second method, you can add any media by simply drag and drop into the timeline. And that's it for this lesson. We hope you find it helpful and informative. If you have any question or feedback, please let us know in the comment section.